welcome, welcome. We are going to have a wonderful morning checking out the Porsche Werks reunion at Amelia Island. You're going to be noticing that I film a lot of whale tails. Love them. Well, the 912E holds a very special place in my heart. Only made in 1976, 1 year, powered by a 4-cylinder engine, and just barely over 2,000 ever made. Well, there's not a question. Any 911 in some type of a skittle color I already love, and then including a whale tail. So let's take a look. This 356 is pristine. Drawn to a slant nose. So the 914 has always been a favorite of mine. It has a 50-50 weight distribution. This one in particular is very special. The owner was just telling me about it. Made in 1974, one of only 500 of the 914 Can-Am edition. And this is the Bumblebee, and maybe we can spot a creamsicle somewhere around here too.
Get to the right page. There it is.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks great.
Hey, they did
Look at that.
They did a beautiful job on that.
They sure did.
Yeah,
that's wonderful.
There was a whole article on that, and
yeah.
What they did is they called it the rare pair because the first part of the article starts with a picture of the the creamsicle.
Yeah.
And then it goes on to see the rare pair.
Yeah.
And all that was written about it.
That's wonderful.
And it ends up, and I have all of the original stuff. This is pretty much all original.
Yeah.
And that happened to be my other vocation.
Oh, that's wonderful! Really?
My wife.
Is that you?
That's me.
Well, you got a winner. She's cool. Now, the 928 was Porsche's first adventure into luxury, all right? This was supposed to be the takeover of the 911. Luckily, that didn't happen, but it was hyper advanced, and Porsche spent a lot of time and money in researching this vehicle. It was also water-cooled, so that ruffled a few feathers along with its design. So the 968 is kind of interesting. It's unique. It was very ahead of its time. It was advanced, but it didn't really catch on. It was the successor, if I remember properly, to the 944. Now this is a true 914 heaven. I'm in love. So the nice thing about 914s, it was a radical change in styling. It was quite a departure in their normal styling, but these cars are fun, and they were meant to kind of be a way for, initially for, I don't want to say the poor man's Porsche, but it was a way to attract customers that had a lower price range. It has a 50-50 weight distribution, so the 914 ride is so fun. Let me see it, but let me see it. By my uncle Randy, who's a badass, to find this 911 Carrera RS by the RSR project. They do custom work out of I think, like, I don't know, somewhere in New England, and create these super, basically your dream 911 Carrera RS, and it looks pretty great. Now, the Carrera 911S came about in 1973, all right? 400 were produced so that Porsche could qualify for Group 4 racing. And then that same year in 1973, Brumos Porsche Racing would go on to win the 24 Hours of Daytona. And then later on in that year, it would be Martini Racing. Now, Brumos Porsche is really cool. I just visited their collection yesterday. That was, the team was Peter Gregg and Hurley Haywood. Well, this is something I need. 1982 911 SC Safari, done by Kelly Moss Road and Race, in UT Longhorn colors, which, as a Longhorn, let's take a look.
See
feel about sepia. I love it. The 72 911T is perfect in it. And so this is original color. This is like original everything. I was talking to my buddy Mike over there who follows me, and he found this like he waited patiently and found a completely unrestored, unmolested 911T. It's beautiful. Let's take a look. All right, well, what a seriously fun time I had. I talked to a lot of cool people, and hope you enjoyed. Also, don't forget to press subscribe, and I feel like that button's right down there somewhere. Who knows? Either way, bye.